Good morning, everyone. I'm Raslori Sikanyamake. I'll, I'll discuss about operating procedure of radar. Before switch on the radar, make sure that there is no person working near to the antenna and there is no halyards that may pull the antenna for the safety hazard. First, make sure that all of the following control button must be set into minimum. The receiver gain control must be set into minimum. The anti-rain and sea clutter must be set into manual. The manual anti-rain clutter control must be set into minimum. The, man- the manual anti-sea clutter must be set into minimum. The VRM1 must be set into zero minimum. The VRM2 must be set into zero minimum. The panel brilliance must be set into minimum. Put radar in transmit mode then. Now we can now switch on the power button or soft key to put the radar on standby mode. Adjust the brilliance to default setting or increase by panel brilliance since this type of radar is in automatic or need to adjust the brightness of the display. Now, radar is on standby mode. Set the range scale into 12 miles in the range scale if you are in open sea, 6 miles if you are in coastal by using by range selector plus. Check the transceiver selector must be set to X band. Check the motion display selector and indicator must be set into relative motion. Check the presentation display indicator, set it to stabilize course up. Check the heading must be equal to the gyro and the speed in use and speed through the water must be also equal. Now, radar is ready to transmit. To transmit, press the transmitted key button. Now is in transmit mode operations. If you can see there is no echo detected and only displaying steering line, set the radar strain scale to long pulse or medium pulse, then adjust the gain slowly and gradually to display until the speckled background appeared in the screen for the display of echoes. The white dots are indicating that it's speak background and also indicating the adjustment is excessive. Reduce a slight the gain to minimize the speckled background. The next step is to increase adjust the manual toning to optimum picture quality to synchronize the frequency of the receiver to transmit. Then set to automatic for tuning. Under the blind sector, under is an effect of excessive of rain clutter. Adjust the anti-rain clutter manually to minimize the effect of rain clutter. Be careful in adjustment. You need to see the weak echo target. Adjust the anti-sea clutter. Then click automatic anti-clutter. Activate the enhanced video on. Then you can now see the echo target. The radar is now ready to use. If you will turn it off the radar, make sure to put again in following into minimum. Receiver gain control to minimum. Tuning set to manual. Anti-clutter set to manual. Anti-sea and rain clutter to minimum. The VRM1 must be set to 00 or minimum. The VRM2 must be set to 00 or minimum. The panel brilliance must be set into minimum. That is all the operating procedure of radar.